every time I start a new project with Next.js, I spend way too much time on picking which packages to use on each project. And for example, there's many external authentication systems that should be just included within the framework. And from today on, I've decided to just stick with the tech stack I know, which is Vue, React, and PHP. Ever since Next.js shifted from page router to app router, I feel like they're trying to shove the React server component to our mouths, and which makes sense because Vercel is making money from hosting, so it completely makes sense. But yeah, I feel like I spend way too much time on choosing and picking which database, which authentication system, or anything. And when I start a new project, I just feel like I'm reading way too much documentation and not coding the actual project. So yeah, Laravel, there has been some beef in Twitter about Next.js and Laravel, and I feel like obviously Laravel is server-side framework, and they are. Most of the Laravel developers are mostly backend developers, who has little experience in front-side developing. So it makes sense that the server-side framework is pushing towards. It's pushing towards to the front side, and front side framework, which is right now the Next.js, which I'm talking about, is moving towards the server side. So it's like there's two different frameworks coming at each other. But yeah, Laravel is more like I feel Laravel is more like Mac OS, which has opinionated way to do stuff, which to me it feels like Mac OS. They have installed it, they have authentication system, queue system. You can still choose which database or which services you use, but the way how it's done, it's very opinionated. Whereas in JavaScript, or especially the Next.js framework, is more, I wouldn't say like Android, but they give you the empty skeleton. Yeah, actually, a better metaphor would be something like this. Laravel is like a MacBook, a laptop where everything has been assembled. They have batteries, and you just open it and it works. Whereas Next.js is like PC computer, where they give you the computer case, and you just npm install everything, and you put each component into it. It's very customizable, but if you have ever assembled a PC, you know that you're at least for me, you'll spend a lot of time like researching which CPU to purchase, or which GPU and which memory. It takes a lot of time. So it's very different way to do, or to develop a project, but they're trying to do the same. But still, I just feel like I'm wasting way too much time on just deciding stuff. Like, I have huge analysis, like selection paralysis, where there's just way too much options to choose from, and I just want to get a project or app deployed as fast as I can. And yeah, from this on, I'll try to promise myself to just stick to the stack, because there is always, especially in JavaScript, ecosystem, there's always something new up and coming, where I might try it out to see what it is about. But yeah, building a full stack app, full projects in Next.js or Next, it for a single developer is taking way too much time. So yeah, that's about it. This is my video, and catch you on the next one.